Alright, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Captain America the Winter Soldier, Target exclusive. This is from Disney now, I don't know. Yeah, gonna be unboxing it. How the hell you open this? Oh, you open it, oh no. Alright, so we got the Captain America Target exclusive. You got Captain America on here. It's all glossy and he's unbossed. And it's a Target exclusive. Fuck, can't get it. Focus. Alright, so right here it's embossed. The side, you get a 3D. You get him in there, Marvel. You get Bucky, Anthony Mackie as the Falcon. He wasn't in the movie that much, which was my biggest complaint. He didn't have enough screen time. Like the Winter Soldier, he just grabbed him and beat him up, broke his suit. I don't know. Here's the thing. It looks like that. It's different. Like some of them come with a 3D one. It says up here, but it doesn't say anything. It comes with a with this thing, which I'm not giving away, cause I believe what the. It comes with these things in the comic book, which I don't know what is it. You go in HTC baby, HTC. Some other things. Comes with plain blue discs. Really? Damn. What do you expect, Disney? So what is this? Is Echo Lex Vortex? I don't know what is it. Cinematic Universe, which I'm not gonna get because it's expensive. And you get this Disney XD things. You get toys if you wanna buy them, which no one buys for the kids. If you watch these shows, no, yeah, you should get this. If you watch the shows, you should watch them. They're really good. Yeah, I don't like the discs. They're crap. Who cares? That's my unboxing. Thanks for watching. Like.